Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast, Everyday English Conversations, where you learn real English through natural discussions. I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Henry. We're really happy to have you here with us today.
How are you doing, Elizabeth? I'm doing great, Henry. I had a very peaceful morning today. Everything felt calm and fresh.
That sounds nice. My morning, well, it was not so peaceful. I pressed the snooze button too many times again.
Oh no, not the snooze button again.
Yes, it's my biggest morning problem.
Today, we are talking about something very useful. Daily routines, the things we do every day.
Like what time we wake up, what we eat, how we start our day?
Exactly. Let's start with mornings. Henry, what do you do first when you wake up?
First, I try to wake up. Then I press snooze, then again snooze.
That's not a routine. That's a battle with your alarm.
True, but finally I get out of bed.
Good. Get out of bed means you leave your bed after sleeping.
Then I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth.
Perfect morning basics. Everyone should do that.
After that, coffee. Very important.
Of course, coffee is like fuel for many people.
Without coffee, I cannot function.
I understand. I usually drink warm water first, then I open my window for fresh air.
Fresh air? That sounds healthy.
Yes, it wakes me up naturally. It clears my mind. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I do. I usually eat something light, like fruit or yogurt.
Healthy choice.
What about you?
Sometimes I eat breakfast. Sometimes I skip it.
You should not skip it.
I know. But I usually just eat toast or a quick sandwich.
Simple but fine. Breakfast gives energy for the day.
After breakfast, I take a shower and get ready for work.
I take a very hot shower. It wakes me up completely.
Hot showers are refreshing.
Then comes the hardest part, choosing clothes.
Why is it hard?
Because I open my wardrobe and feel like I have nothing to wear.
Even though you have many clothes?
Yes, it makes no sense.
That's a common problem. I have a solution.
Please tell me.
Prepare your clothes the night before.
Oh, that is actually smart.
It saves time and stress in the morning.
It saves time and stress in the morning.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus. It is usually crowded.
Do you enjoy it?
Not really, but I listen to music or podcasts.
That's a good way to use travel time.
What about you?
I walk to work every day.
Every day? That's impressive.
Yes, about 20 minutes. I enjoy it. I see trees, people, and fresh air.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. Walking helps me think clearly.
When I reach work, first thing, coffee again.
Another coffee?
Yes. First home coffee, then office coffee.
That's two already.
Then I check emails and start my tasks.
Same here. I plan my tasks for the day. Tasks means work you need to complete.
Sometimes I have too many tasks.
Welcome to real life.
For lunch, I usually buy something near the office.
I prefer bringing food from home.
That's healthier and cheaper.
Yes, and I prepare it the night before.
Again, night before planning.
It really helps.
Do you eat with colleagues?
Yes, sometimes we sit together and talk. It's relaxing.
At around 3 p.m., I feel very sleepy.
Same. That time is difficult for many people.
My energy just disappears.
I usually drink green tea instead of coffee.
Does it help?
Yes, it keeps me calm but awake.
I usually eat snacks, like biscuits.
I prefer fruits or nuts. They give better energy.
After work, I feel very tired.
Me too. First thing I do at home is change clothes.
Same. Comfortable clothes make a big difference.
Then I relax for a few minutes.
Just sitting quietly feels amazing.
Do you cook dinner?
I try, but I'm not very good at cooking. What happened?
Once I made pasta, and it was too salty.
That's a classic mistake.
Another time, I overcooked it. It became too soft.
At least you were trying.
Now I sometimes cook simple food or order something.
I enjoy cooking. It relaxes me.
At night, I usually watch TV or series.
I like reading before bed.
I try reading, but I fall asleep after a few pages.
That means your body is ready for sleep.
True.
But the phone is a problem at night.
Yes, I scroll for too long.
Blue light from phones makes it harder to sleep.
I should stop using it before bed.
I sleep around 10 p.m.
I sleep around midnight or later.
You are a night person.
Yes, definitely.
Then I'm a morning person.
Both are fine. Everyone has different routines.
Today, we learned about daily routines, morning, work, and night habits. We also learned useful vocabulary like snooze, commute, tasks, and routine. The most important thing is consistency.
And finding a routine that fits your lifestyle.
Exactly. Not everyone has the same schedule. Thank you for listening to our podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share it with your friends. And tell us in the comments, are you a morning person or a night person? We would love to read your answers. See you in the next episode. Bye.